Okay, let's look at question B. For each of g prime is equal to -3 and g double prime is -3, find the values or state that it does not exist. Okay, so the thing to realize here is that if I tell you g of x from here, g of x equals to 1 to x ft dt. If I take the derivative of this, I get g prime of x, and by the second fundamental rule of calculus, that's fun to say, g prime of x is equal to f of x. All that's saying, that's just a fancy way of saying, is that this graph represents g prime of x. In other words, it represents the slope of g of x. So if I'm asking you for g prime of -3, this is just what's the y value of g prime -3. So I just go here and I find -3, which is right here. And this actually becomes 2. The way I know this is that the slope of this goes up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. If you keep counting, you'll see that that's the case. Okay? So it's 2, so what's g prime of -3? G prime of -3 is 2. There's the answer for the first part. The second part, I actually gave you the answer for the other part. So if this graph is g prime, g double prime is the slope of the graph. So what's the slope of the graph? Well, the slope, I just finished telling you that this thing goes up 1 over 1, right? So that means the slope is 1. And there's g double prime. If you really don't believe me that the slope is 1, note that you have this point here, -4, 1, and you have this point, -2, 3. So I said, what, -4, 1, and -2, 3. So if I find the slope of this, that's 3 minus 1 over -2 minus -4. And that gives me 2 over -2 plus 4, which is 2 over 2. Which is what? 1 over 1. So because the slope is still 1 over 1, we're good. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. See y'all in the next video.